Hello and welcome to your GoodBarber back office. Today we're going to look at the progressive web app version of your app, and more specifically its 404 page. When a page is not found on your PWA or native app, our servers return an error called 404 error. This can happen when the content has been deleted or moved, or the URL wasn't typed correctly. You can of course modify the design of the 404 page of your shop. Go to the menu Settings, Other Settings, 404 error. Let's edit the text of the display title. I can also add an image instead. I customize the text. And finally, I customize the design elements, font color, and background color. I can see all my modifications straight away on the preview on the right. And voila, we're done. You can now customize your own 404 page. See you soon for another tutorial.